Lemon Balm. It's had loads of bad press for being an invasive plant, but it's actually really useful. Scientifically, it's been proven that if you have a tisane made from the leaves, it relieves anxiety. And for me as a cook that loves using herbs in cooking, this is a herb I don't actually cook. I always add in making a vinaigrette, or if I'm making salads, I'll just add the fresh leaves finely chopped, and you get that lovely flavour of lemon. A really useful herb. If you keep bees, it's really important to grow some plants nearby, because Melissa, which is the Latin of this plant, Melissa officinalis, she was the goddess of bees. And so this will keep your bees happy and keep your bees at home. Enjoy this herb. It shouldn't have bad press.